Hi everyone, it's me Roxanne, and I'm back with a new video featuring the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960. In this segment, I will be featuring presser foot A, as well as another accessory that came with your machine called the clearance plate. So stay tuned. The first item I'm going to show you today is called the clearance plate, or the hump jumper. This item came with your bonus foot collection. This accessory is placed under your presser foot when you're sewing from 1 or 2 layers of fabric in a continuous line onto 3, 4, or more layers of fabric. It helps you negotiate that hump and keep your presser foot level to go over the hump more easily. It also has a dual function. If you notice, there is a hole here in the top, and that has a flat side toward the back. This is for placing a needle to help you insert it more easily into your machine. Now I've gone ahead and I've increased my stitch length to 3.5, and I've inserted a size 16 needle because for this demonstration I'm going to be doing it on a very heavyweight denim. I have 2 layers of denim here, and I'm going to fold it up once, creating 4 layers, and over again to create 6 layers of fabric. So you can see how I will go from 2 layers using the hump jump to sew up to 6 layers. Okay, I put my presser foot down and I'm ready to sew. Right now I'm going through 2 layers of fabric, and I'm approaching 6 layers of fabric. Now you can see my presser foot is starting to raise to negotiate that heavy area. So what you do is you pick up your presser foot and place the clearance plate behind it to even everything out. Place your presser foot back down and continue to sew. And right now I'm sewing through 6 layers of heavy denim. Remove your clearance plate. See how it's sewed right through all of those layers. Now this also works in the reverse as well. Going to start off here at my 6 layers and start to sew. Now when I get to the area and my presser foot is unsupported, place the clearance plate in once again. Remove the clearance plate and continue sewing onto 2 layers of fabric. And once again, it negotiated that area perfectly. Presser foot A works similarly to the clearance plate, except it has a built-in leveler to help you negotiate over a hump or a heavy area, transitioning from say 1 or 2 layers of fabric up to 4, 5, or more layers of fabric. So I'm going to remove presser foot B, and presser foot A is also a snap-on foot, so I'll just lower my presser foot right on and it snaps right in. I'm going to use my same denim sample, sewing from 2 layers of denim onto 6 layers of denim, showing you how to use the button on presser foot A. So I'm going to start off with 2 layers, putting my presser foot down. And as I approach the 6 layers, notice how the front of the presser foot is picking up. Go ahead and pick up your presser foot hold the button in as you place your presser foot back down, and this leveled out your foot without using the clearance plate. Now continue to sew onto the heavier layers of fabric and your button will disengage itself. See how it's sewed right through that area? Very easily. So if you've ever wondered why there was that little black button on presser foot A, or what that odd shaped plastic piece was, I hope that this answered your question. Have a happy creative day now. Bye!